Hi, my name is Katherine-Anne and I just finished my internship at the Auburn Office of Sustainability. I've been working for this office before running their social media, but I decided to add the apparel element with this internship. So my day-to-day looks like still running the social media, interacting, creating graphics, creating reels, but also I got to work with our on-campus career closet and come up with ways to provide better solutions for students in there. So we created a mending night, a professional clothing drive, and then to bring sustainable fashion to campus, we also during Earth Day did block printing on thrifted t-shirts. Something I love about my office is the people. My bosses really care about me professionally and personally. And 3 pieces of advice that I have for you guys is 1, ask for help. 2, the first idea is not always the best idea. And 3, know your strengths and weaknesses so you can go back to number 1 and ask the right questions. A tip that I have for you guys is if you can implement your passion with this internship, do it. I got to work in sustainability and my experience for the internship has been amazing because I'm really passionate about it.